Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rhea and my YouTube channel is Rhea underscore home for four. Today I'm gonna show you how to do my messy bun. I have been getting some requests how I do my messy bun. So today I think it deserves its own video. So today I'm gonna show it to you. It's not difficult. All you need to do is just, or all you need is just this type of hair thingy, or I sometimes use this kind of thingy. So my hair is not that long, it's very short, and it's also not thick. So I have a way of doing it. And I have been doing it forever, so it shouldn't take very long, because you know messy bun are meant to be messy. So today I'm gonna show you how to do that. So you just brush your hair like that. I'm gonna show you two ways, like using this one and using this one. Whatever your preference is, it's really up to you, but I like both hair tie, because they work for me and it gives me that volume over here, because I don't have, like, my hair is not very long and it's not even thick, so it gives me that volume. So you just brush your hair like that, and then pull them together like that, and then pull it as high as you can, like almost to the point that it's close to your forehead, because that's the secret. Like for me, that's the secret to a messy bun. And then hold your thingy right like that, and then pull this one right here, and then once you reach the edge, the tip of your hair, twist it and then put it back like that, and then do it like that. And then if you want to like insert it, some of it back, it doesn't really matter, because you know it's a messy bun, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then I sometimes like pull a little bit over here on the side and pull it forward a little bit to give that little, like, you know, messiness to it, and voila, that's it. So now that you've seen me using this kind of hair tie, we're gonna use this kind of hair tie. We're gonna use this kind of hair tie. So now we repeat. Brush your hair like that, and then same process. Gather it all together. And then just like what I've shown to you earlier, you want to pull your hair forward closer to your forehead like almost like already like, you know, to the top of your head like that. And then this time we're gonna use this kind of hair tie. So same process like that. And then this time you want to clip it like over here, right there. And then pull, like push back some of these over here. There's that. And as usual, pull a little bit of hair over here on the side. And then pull some in the front, and that's it. So almost every day I do my hair like this, messy bun. You know, it's convenient, it's fast, it doesn't take very long, especially if I don't have time to like straighten or, you know, whatever. But there's that. That's how I do my messy bun. And I hope you like this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you are new or you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. If you don't want to, that's fine. I'm not gonna get mad, but I hope you do. And as always, thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you again. Bye.